Want to build a six-figure coaching business? It all starts with the right tool stack. If you don't have the right tools, then what you will have is a much harder, less fun experience building your coaching business. So in this video, I am breaking down the top 3 tools that will automate your marketing, drag and drop to create content and graphic assets, and simplify your coaching delivery system so you can scale with ease. Discover the tools that successful coaches cannot live without, and they will help you build your six-figure coach system. Welcome back to the Creator Playbook. Let's run the play. This video is part of my six-figure coach system, 5-part series to help you transform your coaching side hustle into a six-figure business. And if you haven't seen video 1 of the series, go check it out. I added the link in the description for you. In this video, part 2 of the series, I'm taking you on a tour for the exact tools that I use for my coaching business tool stack that makes running my coaching business smooth and so easy. The 3 specific tools that I will share today is based on a basic tool stack. Now there's an advanced version of a tool stack that I refer to when I'm coaching my members inside of my community for my six-figure coach cohort. What is so exciting about this cohort is that we do the work that I share in this 5-part series. We do all that work together, and we do it in real time so that those who are inside of the cohorts walk away with an already done coaching business system to consistently generate 1,000 plus months and grow to 6 figures. I'll share more about how to get in just a bit. But for now, let's get into those top 3 tools for your coaching system. Tool number 1 is a content marketing and email marketing platform. Let's pop over to my screen. I'll show you exactly what it looks like and how I use it for my coaching business system. Remember, nice and easy. So what you see here on my screen is a platform called Kit, previously known as ConvertKit. ConvertKit is now Kit, and it is an all-in-one, all-encompassing platform specifically designed for creators. And this is the platform that you definitely need for your content marketing and your email marketing part of your business system, your coaching business system. So I'll show you how it works. Whenever you are positioning your coaching to your target audience, you want to make sure that you give them lots of content that either helps them solve a problem, achieve a goal, or bring them to their happy place. And when you are providing that rich, valuable content, you want to lead them to a landing page to get them to the next step toward your offer. That whole process is called content marketing. An example of that would be this landing page. So I created this landing page in Kit, and basically when I am providing rich, valuable content like I am in this 5-part series, I'm also offering a way to learn more or to go farther in the process to actually work with me. So this landing page, you see here, there's the branding for the cohort called the Six-Figure Coach Cohort. And then I have a message: learn how to earn 1,000 plus per month with a rinse and repeat coaching system. And what this landing page does, it allows the audience to opt in to learn more, to go a little bit further down the road to get closer to the cohort, to actually join the cohort. And the way you join the cohort is through this landing page. Once they fill in their name and their email address and then click, "Hey Angela, I want to know more," that signals me, okay, I need to reach out to this person because they are ready to have a conversation about how to grow closer to the cohort. Okay, so this landing page where my audience can opt in covers the second step of the content marketing. Remember, content marketing includes providing valuable, rich content and then providing your audience a step to get closer to whatever offer that you are providing for them. In addition to content marketing, you also need email marketing. So once a person signs up, and I'll just sign up here to give you an example, and then click, hey, Angela, I want to know more. From there, I just have a little message. You're almost in. Check your email to confirm and get next steps to join. Check your spam just in case it's there. All right. Now, this message that you see here, I created in the settings. So I'll go back to the dashboard, click on settings, and you see here the settings inside the success message that I want them to see. All right. So now that you know that Kit can provide your opt-in page as part of your content marketing, the other thing that you definitely need to do is have some type of system for your email marketing. Well, Kit can provide both. In the email marketing, you will send broadcasts to the audience who became followers. They're followers now because they signed up for your opt-in. Okay. And so what you want to do is you want to click on new broadcast. You want to send your followers now information and nurture them to get closer and closer to the offer that you are providing. Very important. And you can click on any template. Once you click on the template, type in the section. All right, add a subject line. Make sure it's a subject line that will prompt your new followers to open. So let's get your coaching ready, coaching system ready. Boss lady. All right. And then I have all of my content here ready to go. I'm going to click continue. All right. And I have two options to send it out to my followers, those who signed up through my opt-in whenever I provided that valuable, rich content in my content marketing. So in the nutshell, you have a way to email out your information and nurture your followers to your coaching, for your coaching, and a landing page for your audience to opt in to your offer and become your new followers. And that covers your email marketing and your content marketing. All right, let's go to the second vital tool in your tool stack for your coaching business system. And that is the platform that you're going to use for your coaching content and delivery. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you one way to provide your coaching content and delivery, and that is through a community. Now, I use the Circle platform. And in my community is where I provide the coaching content and delivery of that coaching for my six-figure coach cohort. So what I've done is I've created a space here on the left. These are all my spaces. And for the purposes of coaching, it's a live group coaching. There's several different types of coaching that you can provide, and I'll definitely dive deeper into all the different ways you can provide your coaching inside the cohort. But for today, let's specifically focus on group coaching inside of a community. So all of these spaces are here for my members, but for the coaching part of my business system, I created a space just for coaching, and it's the six-figure coach space. So up here in my header, I'll just click on six-figure coach. And inside this space group, I have the overview and the welcome. I have the live sessions, I have the weekly content, and then I have solutions for success. I'll go through each one with you. All right, there are 6 people in the cohort right now. I typically like between 7 and 12 because that is a really good small group number where I can give every person the attention that they deserve. So if I click over into the welcome and overview, I have here all the information that my clients need for the cohort. There's the welcome. Here's what you can expect over the next 5 weeks. There's the map, schedule, and outline, right? What you'll walk away with. The map. The map is basically 3 specific phases: the learn phase, the earn phase, and the yearn phase. And then here is the schedule and outline. What's going to happen over the next 5 weeks? What's going to happen over 5 weeks of the cohort? And then I have some pre-action steps, things that they definitely need to do before the cohort starts. And then I have the check-in. Okay. Now, my Cura Circle creator community is how I provide the coaching content and the delivery of the coaching. And all of this is done on the Circle platform, like I mentioned before. Now, what I love about the Circle platform is that it's an all-in-one solution. Not only can I provide the coaching, content, and delivery. When I say coaching, content, and delivery, I have all the coaching content inside of these posts, but you'll notice that also inside of this coaching space, I have a space for live sessions. When my members or my clients click on live sessions, they will access the live session where I'm coaching, and they can access that live coaching session by clicking this link. So that will cover my delivery. The weekly content is where I'm providing notes and resources and everything that they need to actually move forward to achieve what I'm coaching them to achieve. And then solutions and success. In the solutions and success section is where they can ask questions, have deep, rich discussions, and show their big aha moments or their big wins. So this is the perfect platform for your business system to provide the coaching content and delivery. Now, this is not the only way, but it is one way. I'll cover other options in the actual six-figure coach cohort. Options like personal, individual, one-on-one coaching. I provide that also through my website. We'll get into that inside of the cohort. That is part of the advanced business systems that I'll talk about there. All right, so what did we cover so far? We have the platform for your content marketing and your email marketing. We have the platform for the coaching, content, and delivery of your coaching. And then the third and final platform for your coaching business system, your basic coaching business system, is a way to create all of your assets, both graphic assets and video assets. All right, so this is a platform called Canva. It's very popular. I'm sure you know all about it by now, but I want to take you through what you really can do. Everything about my coaching business system in terms of my graphic assets and my video assets are created inside of Canva. All right, so when I say graphic assets and video assets, that is really truly very extensive. Let's go back to the content marketing and the email marketing. For content marketing, you want to make sure that you're providing all the different ways to educate your audience. Not only are you educating your audience by giving them rich, valuable content to either solve a problem, achieve a goal, or get them to their happy place, you're doing that on specific platforms I call containers, whether that be YouTube, blog, social media, podcast. And so for me, I'm really big on YouTube. And so in this case, whenever I am creating my YouTube content, I need things like B-roll to make my videos more engaging. I need a video intro to segue from my hook to me introducing what the content is all about. So every time you see a YouTube video, you'll also see this. I created that in Canva. So that's just one piece of what you can create inside Canva. Now, other things that I need in terms of my assets is thumbnails for my YouTube videos. If I click here, here are all the thumbnails that I have created for my YouTube videos. Okay, this is the one for my recent video. All right, just the title and a picture that kind of depicts what the title is. Very important. But Canva is not just useful for creating graphic assets and video assets for your content marketing. You can also create graphic assets and video assets for your courses or for your coaching or for your digital products. All right. So I'm going to click here. And these are all the banners that I created for content inside of my Cura Circle creator community. So this is an upcoming pop-up workshop that I'm going to be providing. This is the graphic for that. Another pop-up workshop that I want to be providing. This is the graphic for that. All right. This is the graphic for a course. And this is the graphic that I created for my six-figure coach cohort. All right. But that's not all. Also inside Canva, I can create products. So not just the graphic assets for my content marketing or the video assets for my content marketing, not only the banners and graphics for content inside of my community, I can also create entire products inside of Canva. This particular product, the coaching program planner, is inside of my resource vault. And so I created the graphic and added the content for this particular product. And I added that product inside of my creator community. So I can just click on resource vault. And notice here, all of these graphics that you see were created inside of Canva. Every last one of these graphics were created inside of Canva. So if I go back, just give you a quick view full of either graphic assets, video assets, or assets for my actual digital products are here inside of Canva. So just to recap, there are 3 specific tools that you need in your tool stack for your basic business coaching system. You need a platform like Kit, formerly known as ConvertKit, for your content marketing so that you can provide a landing page or opt-in page to bring in your audience to become followers. You need a platform for your content and delivery of your coaching, and you need a platform to create all the assets for your coaching business system, whether that be graphic assets, whether that be video assets, or actual content for your coaching program. You will find this exact tool stack content and the advanced tool stack in my 6-figure coach cohort that's happening in my Cura Circle creator community. We do this work together, side by side, in real time. And when you join, you walk away with a mindset to think like a 6-figure coach, a fully assembled tool stack, basic or advanced, that you will build, a customized coaching framework that you'll design to implement a magnetic coaching program, a top secret proven strategy that will put your coaching program in motion, and my baby, my BMW. That's the business model workflow that gives you the simple rinse and repeat system to run your coaching business. Ultimately, you'll have an already done coaching business system to consistently generate 1,000 plus per month and then grow and scale to 6 figures. Click the link in the description to learn how to join the cohort. Now, your tool stack that I discussed in this video is an intricate part of becoming a 6-figure coach, but there are more steps to take. So subscribe to get immediate access to the 5-part playlist. Also, join us in the 6-figure coach cohort to do this work together in real time. And check out this video right here to learn the truth about the creator life so you can get pumped up for the cohort. You got this because I got you. It's Angela here. And until next time, always be creating. Here's your video. Bye for now.